Hi kids from Key Stage 1, this is your 8th challenge and this one's called the bucket throw. Now the bucket throw is different to the challenges we've been doing so far. It's not as physical as the other ones or tiring, but it's one to practice your fine motor skills and your throwing ability. You need a few things for this challenge, so you need to prepare well. If you've got a bucket at home, that's brilliant. Ask a grown-up if you can borrow it. If you don't have a bucket, maybe a box will do, or any kind of container you've got that's bucket sized around the house will be really good. You also need a ball. Now I don't have a ball either, so I'm going to use a ball of socks that I've rolled up. I'm sure all of you have got one of these. This is also better because you're unlikely to break something if you do this. You need something small just to mark where you're going to throw from. I've got a small book here, but you can use anything to do that. And you need something quite heavy. Now I've got a bottle of water which I'm going to put in the bucket. And the reason I'm doing that is because I don't want the bucket to fall over when I throw something at it. So, how you measure out where you're going to throw from is simple. You lie down on the floor with your feet next to the bucket, and then wherever your head is, that's where you need to throw from. So, I'm very tall. Unfortunately, that means I'm going to throw from quite far away. I'll put my feet around the bucket, lie down on the floor, and then place my book where my head is, and that's where I'm going to throw from. So the aim of this challenge is to see how many throws you can get in a row. I like this challenge because you can do it as many times as you want, I don't mind. But if you get one in and you miss the next one, your score's 1. You have to get all of those throws in a row, so take your time, there's no rush for this one. I'm going to stand around my marker where my book is. I like to do an overarm throw for this one, so take your time, look carefully at your target and throw it. It's a good job I'm not a PE teacher, I tell you. Okay, so if you miss, it's fine. You can do as many challenges as you want today. Just record your best score of that session before you do some more work and move on to your afternoon one. Okay, let's start that one again. That's 1. See how many I can do. That's 2. The first one was just to practice, obviously. That's 3. That's 4. Make sure you're going back to your line every time. If you're short, then you get an advantage in this game. How many is that? 5? I think it's 5. 6. Okay, so my score's 6. I can have another go if I want to try and beat 6, as long as you start again when you play again. But I'm tired and I've got some work to do. So that 6 is my morning score. I'll record that one down and I'll come back and revisit just after lunch. Have fun with this one. See you later.